Hello and welcome to World Auto Forum's Dosti survey. You might wonder what is Dosti? Yes, Dosti is friendship that makes all the difference, but here we intend to get friendly with all the stakeholders in the auto industry, and WAF for the first time brings out the Dealer and OEM Satisfaction and Trust Index 2021. So that is DOSTI, Dosti. But I guess that's not enough. Anuj is going to tell us exactly what this Dosti survey is all about and with what purpose is it being done.
So thanks a ton, Kiran ma'am, for the introduction. So yes, Dosti is world's first and one of its kind initiative in the industry. We've had a lot of surveys, but they have been going to only one particular stakeholder or entity for trust and satisfaction. But trust and satisfaction are mutual. So it's like going in a family and you just ask one particular family member, are you happy? Are you satisfied? Are you enjoying? You have to ask all the family members to come out with a comprehensive family's happiness index, per se. So over here the industry is a family, so you have to go to the automakers, the car makers, you have to go to the dealers, and you have to go to the leasing companies also, because they are the sunrise industry. Next 5 years, 10 years, you'll be seeing more cars subscribed than sold or bought. So hence Dosti, and we are very, very fortunate at World Auto Forum to get brilliant partners to help us power this survey. So we have one of the topmost MR firms of India called Visorfield. They are powering it. And we have one of the topmost field investigation research teams, Aon Research. They are powering it. So the best of the best minds are powering Dosti for the industry.
Okay, great. Now, Mr. Atul Arora, you're from Visorfield Consulting, and I believe that you plan to take up this survey in a period of 3 months with 1,000 plus people and all three stakeholders. Just one survey doing all that. On what platform will you be doing it, and how do you plan to reach out to these 1,000 plus people?
Sure. Thank you, Ms. Kiran. So what I want to add something about the Dosti survey. As you know, automotive business is evolving like never before. Electric vehicles are catching up faster than ever. COVID has impacted all the industries, especially auto and mobility. Dealer businesses, its expectation, business model are also changing. Subscription and leasing is also becoming important, as Anuj was saying. So it becomes very important to measure, understand the stakeholders' expectation, and leverage them to keep succeeding in this evolving scenario. Whom we are partnering is and whom we are going ahead with is three parties. One is the leasing company, second is the dealers, and third is the OEMs. And we are collecting various parameters from them. How we are collecting is for dealers, what we are doing is we are connecting them through product, sales and marketing, after sales support, local regional representatives, delivery and logistics, management, policy, and dealer profitability. So all these parameters are we evaluating for dealers. What we are evaluating from OEMs is we are evaluating the overall business performance, sales revenue, effective local promotions, workshop revenue, and a lot more parameters. And similarly, we are also understanding from leasing companies how the expectation is from OEM and the expectation from the dealer. These are the three parameters that we are evaluating.
Okay, great. Now, Sanjay, I would like to ask you that you claim that stakeholders' mutual satisfaction and trust is important in the auto industry. What gave you the indication that this satisfaction and trust is lacking somewhere between the various stakeholders? And so you came up with this Dosti interaction donut, and what what you envisage to gain out of this survey?
Yeah, if you look at Aon is partnering with the Dosti platform for, you can say, collecting the information from the stakeholders who are, you can say, dealer partners. If you ask me, research questions can be, you can say, answered by Atul, but my team is, you can say, based out of Delhi office, having, you can say, a large call center in Delhi, and this team is contacting the dealers of various OEMs, and you can say connecting, and you can say giving the platform to them to, you can say, take the survey and give the feedback of their own principles, so that we can create an index which can be shared with the OEMs also, and respective dealers also.
Okay. Now, this survey is going to be pan-India. Is it going to cover all the cities in all the states? Or what has been the criteria for the selection of the cities?
Yeah, we as the if you look at the research model, we are covering large cities and all the zones of the, you can say, country, and we are trying to give coverage to all the manufacturers across India. So the top dealers of all the manufacturers will be covered in this survey.
Okay. Anuj, now please explain us a little better. Of late, we've been hearing that for banks, if you want loans, you have a CIBIL score. Now, what is this Dosti score and how can one apply it at the time of leasing an auto or buying an auto? Let's make it a little more user-friendly.
Wow, I think that's a fantastic question, Kiran ma'am. So just the way, the banks and the NBFCs, they tap onto your CIBIL score to see your credit worthiness, whether, they can give their loans or their products to you. So I think similarly, we are envisaging that in going in the future. See, right now, Dosti survey is just a baby, just got born. So possibly, in the future, when any new player wants to enter the industry, want to take a dealership of a particular car company, or they want to get into a leasing contract with a car company, or likewise, car companies, they want to target or reach out to new dealer partners or new leasing companies. So this Dosti score can be really handy to get to know what future holds, just like CIBIL score, so people can check Dosti score before getting into a business arrangement or a transaction. So that's the future we also envisage.
Okay. Now, how did you get this idea? Were you inspired by the CIBIL score to have a Dosti score, or was it the market that demanded it?
Well, as the Bollywood song goes, "Dosti imtihan leti hai." So this is actually the true test. This is the true test because on your face, your business associates would be very nice and cordial. Yeah, to a point only. If things really go out of control, then of course it will be on your face. But many a times those tacit things need to be taken out, and a lot of times there are communication issues when people are not really sharing things in real time, or they don't even know the other partner's problems or pain areas, despite no matter how many WhatsApp groups or chats you might be on. So this will get the insights out. People will get to know what is required to be done, and more importantly, what's required not to be done.
Okay.
And then those things shall flourish.
It will. But here, Atul, I would like to ask you one thing. You have got a list of these car leasing companies that you're going to cover. Now, supposing there are more car leasing companies than the ones you have on your list, and they also want to be covered under this, can they join you?
Oh, yes. So this is the very first Dosti survey that is happening, and the very first industry initiative where car leasing companies have been included. At this point of time in India, there are less car leasing companies. There are limited compared to US and Europe, and as they are going to increase, and we are not. This is just the first of our wave, first survey, and we will be continue doing it every year. So as more companies adds up in the market, they certainly can be included in a part of our survey. So this is just the first of it.
Okay. Now, Anuj, at this point, I'd like you to also explain that doing a market research survey like this costs a lot of money. You need a lot of infrastructure for it. Who are the people who are sponsoring it? And if there are other people who would like to join the sponsorship, as a matter of prestige and credibility, how can they reach out?
So that's a very important question, Kiran ma'am, though I was not expecting this question, quite frankly. But we are not, really taking any sponsors as of now, because we don't want the report to be, or the survey to be biased in any way. We will not allow any car company or any of these brands to sponsor, because they could be an actual or a perceived bias. We don't want to get into that. So the only way this report can earn is possibly, we'll have an award ceremony. There are, after the results are out. So if somebody wants to sponsor the award ceremony, because by the time the results are already out, everyone knows who has won. You can't change the results. And the second is people can buy the report. If you want a deep dive in the analysis, analytics, what people have mentioned, of course, and of course, all the respondents' identities would be kept 100% confidential. We will not divulge anyone's identity, so that people can share openly and freely. So answering the question, people can sponsor the award ceremony after the results are announced, and people can buy the report, as simple as that.
Okay. Maybe Sanjay will tell us that, any clue, Sanjay, where these reports would be available, what will be the cost of it, and how do you plan to make it accessible to people online, or they'll have a hard copy?
Yeah, I think the reports will be available post, you can say, the research is completed amongst all the three stakeholders, and reports will be on the subscription model, which Anuj will, you can say, share later, or Atul can share. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll add to that. So these reports, once this study is over, these will be, the press release will be released after the reports are over. And also there will be a management findings which will be there, which will be disseminated to companies, the OEMs, the dealers and leasing companies who would be interested to go for it. There will be a certain top line capsule which will be available for everyone, but the detailed findings, the full management debriefs will be available to the people who are interested and who subscribes to that, and accordingly they can take that. So there will be a PowerPoint presentations and there will be a management team who will be presenting all the findings.
And the people who will participate in the survey, for them we will also do a free program on how to enhance your productivity and profitability of your business, whether it's at your dealership or it's at your OEM. So we'll do a free program. That is like our gift to them, because they would have taken out time for this 15-20 minutes long survey. So that's the least we can do for them. That will be completely free of cost for all the survey participants from our side.
Great.
And ma'am, you earlier asked about who are the participants. So I just want to add to that also. Who are the target respondents? Are the dealer owners for a full-fledged 3S facility are the participants, and they are those who are their dealership is operational from more than 2 years. So those are our participants, and there is an online quantitative self-fulfilling questionnaire which is sent to them, and they fill the questionnaire, and the questionnaire is sent back to us. So that's the process in which how the survey is happening, and there is Mr. Sanjay's team of 20 members who are sending the online survey through various channels, through emails, through WhatsApp, and several other channels also. An appointment is taken, and then they fill it as per their own convenience.
Great. Atul, there are many stakeholders in the auto industry, OEMs and car dealers and car manufacturers, car buyers. So individually addressing each group, what is there in it for me? That's the straight question everyone asks.
Sure. Thanks, ma'am. That's a very good question. What OEMs are going to get from this is, first of all, yes, as an output, we will be giving an overall satisfaction rankings of various OEMs. And also every OEM interacts with several departments. So every dealer also interacts with several departments of an OEM, whether it's a product development, it's sales and marketing, sales representatives. So we will get all these aspect-wise satisfaction scores as well of various OEMs. So that's one part of it. That is what OEMs will get it. They will get to see from the dealers, the opinion from the dealers on various of these aspects, which is product, sales and marketing, order delivery, logistics, after sales service, dealer margins and profitability. Similarly, what dealers will get it is, so dealers also will get an opinion from OEMs. What are these important factors? So what is important for OEMs? And also OEMs are going to talk about their best dealers. So we will also have an ideal and a benchmark dealer, which dealers will get to know, so that they can actually make their dealership accordingly. So they can make their dealer best as per the ideal dealership.
Great. Once again, kudos to WAF team and the think tank of WAF. Month after month, they come up with some great ideas, some great innovations, some great steps and rapid strides that no one else has ever taken before in the auto industry. Wishing this Dosti a great success ahead, and hoping that we strengthen and cement our Dosti with the auto dealers and the auto industry, every stakeholder in it. Wishing you great success.
Thank you. Thanks a ton, ma'am. And I think we can only do this only because of the teams at Visorfeed and teams at Aeon. They are the two strongest pillars who are powering this Dosti survey. So thanks a ton, and really looking forward to a great survey. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, Anuj.
Thank you.
You
Cheers.
people rock.
Thank you. We rock.
Dosti rocks.
Dosti
Yeah.
rock. Dosti rock.
Dosti rock.
Thank you.
Thank you.